rainforest speaks, its language is one of profound silence. As I walk beneath the towering canopy, the forest breathes stories into the evening air. Each leaf, a page, each rustle, a sentence. Words like these ancient trees stand tall and timeless. They root in our hearts, branch into our thoughts, and blossom into actions. In this serene haven, I ponder the power of words. A kind word can be a gentle breeze lifting spirits, a harsh one, a storm uprooting peace. Here amidst the whispers of nature, I realize that our words hold the same magic. They can nurture, they can heal, they can create a world as lush and vibrant as this rainforest. So let us speak with care, for our words are the seeds of tomorrow's forest. And just like this walk, each step, each word shapes the journey ahead. Every word is an echo, resonating within us, shaping our hearts, minds, and lives as if we are in a chamber of echoes. So why not echo hope? Why not echo love? Why not echo that it will all be all right? Trust in the process. Time isn't moving. We are still in